Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and acting immediately. Make sure the battery is above 20% and your photos and contacts are backed up so you don't risk data loss. Once ready, confirm the safe mode label is visible in the corner or notification shade, then press and hold power and choose restart. This reboot often clears the mode because it resets running apps. If the phone boots normally, you're done. If not, make sure to continue to the next steps to remove the cause. Next, you diagnose common triggers, faulty apps and stuck hardware. Start by uninstalling the most recent app or any app you suspect. Once removed, reboot to see if safe mode clears. If that fails, press and hold power plus volume up or down at boot to test whether a stuck volume key is forcing safe mode. Free any debris and test the buttons. If apps and buttons aren't the issue, boot into recovery and clear the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Then reboot and check the result. For final fixes, you perform careful recovery steps when the simpler options fail. Back up everything and run a factory reset from settings or recovery. This removes persistent software faults that keep safe mode enabled. If the reset doesn't help, consider reflashing the stock firmware using the correct ROM for your Gionee Max. This reinstalls system files and often clears deep issues. Once done, make sure to test hardware. If safe mode returns, bring the phone to a service center for professional hardware diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.